Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing a clean with me, and I believe this room is most person's least favorite room to clean. So I will be cleaning the bathroom at my family home. I'm here for the weekend to help and assist with some chores, and I will just share with you some tips and tricks and easy way into getting your bathroom clean. So I hope this video helps to give you some motivation. The first thing I normally do is I use some bleach, powder soap and disinfectant into the toilet and the bathtub area so that it sits there, so by the time I reach there to clean, it already soaks and it's easier to clean. The next thing I do is to create a soap water with some chemicals, the same chemicals that I listed before, just to wash down the face basin and the mirror area. I use Scotch Brite, and also I use a cleaning cloth that I use in the bathroom. So you can use whatever cleaning rag or so you wish to use. So after I wash it with the soap water, I go ahead with some clear rinsing water to rinse it off, to rinse off the soap and also the soap on the face basin as well. Now I'm heading over to my least favorite part to clean in the bathroom, and this is the bathtub area. So the same chemicals, I combine them into a container to create a soap water, and I use that with the Scotch Brite and cleaning cloth to clean the tiles and the bathtub area, and also just to get the little dirt from the tub and between the tile, that's where the grout is. So ensure, as I said, ensure that you spray the bleach and stuff there. You can use an all-purpose cleaner if you have one, but I prefer to use the chemicals directly instead of an all-purpose cleaner. So after I finished wash the area, I rinse off the soap with water again, just to wash off those soaps so that they don't leave any residue. My family likes to keep things minimal in the bathroom, especially over the toilet area. So what I'll be doing here, I will only be adding one plant and a little container to add like shampoo and condition. So I'm wiping off the shelving here, and this shelf was a white shelf. I spray painted it in gold. I think it was last year Christmas. So you want to ensure that you clean above the toilet as well, where the tile is and all that. So after I finish the shelving area, I start by cleaning the toilet, and as I said before, see if you can throw your chemicals or cleaner into the toilet so that when you reach that area it is easier to clean. So after I clean the toilet area, I normally wipe the floor. So I normally do the mopping and let it dry, and then afterwards I can go in and add the decor. Now the mopping was done behind the scenes, so I will now add the decor. So I went outside and I got this snake plant. I found this planter as well. I will be spray painting it some other time, but I think these are too tall. I might change them at the end. So next thing I will be doing is adding some curtain. The bathroom curtain and the window curtain. Now this curtain and shower curtain was made by my mother. She just had a piece of material or fabric, and she sewed the curtain for the window and also for the shower as well. So I hate putting on shower curtains. I think this exercise your arms. If you hate putting up shower curtain, please let me know. I see why some people prefer the door or sliding door, although you have to clean the door as well. But let me know if you like hanging up bathroom curtains, or shower curtains rather. So after I add the shower curtains, then I will go in and add the rugs. Now these were regular rugs. You can see my mother stitched the fabric around it just to give it a little vibes to enhance the rug as well. So I add these two pieces, and because children are in the house and they are so messy and so on, we add another smaller piece in front of the face basin, so if they're standing there to brush their teeth or any spilling, it doesn't wet up the bathroom floor. If you enjoyed this cleaning video, please let me know. If it gave you some motivation, also please let me know. I hope you enjoy this bathroom cleaning and semi or simple decorating video. See you on the next video. Thank you.